Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to more ENA Dream BBQ. We're gonna give this dude his kids back, or pets, or food. Wait, did I do that one? Ah, no, I need one more. I need one more. But I did find the taxi driver's head, which means I can go over here, doing, and talk to this guy. Sweet. Hello. I wish to talk. I salute.
What do you suckers do for a living?
Bueno, yo puedo enviarte a ese famosillo evento. El evento de la burla.
Hell yeah.
Subas a la moto, que vaya la moto. Hice un verso sin mayor esfuerzo.
Strange. Yeah. Taxi. Wait. What the hell? What's happening? Am I being moved? I want the little dolphin thing. Oh! Wrong event. Well, I guess we're here now. Oh, I see you over there. Oh my god, we're upside down now. Okay. Hey, you! Get the Damn, you're fast. But I know parkour. Sweet! Wait. Aha! Oh. Huh? Okay. Nope, my little animated hand is not getting any sort of response. Whoa! Oh shit! What's happening? I hate it when buildings fall up into the sky into something. Shit. Can I not? Damn it. Rude. Oh, hello. Now we can kind of do this, yes? Excellente. Hey, get the fuck back here. God damn, this kid's fast. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. This is such a strange and delightful game to play. Oh, I saw you. I saw you. You're very purple. You stand out against the environment real good. Wow. This is free. This game is free. Just want to set that out as a reminder. Oh. You know, some of these maps remind me of Xenoclash. If you haven't played Xenoclash, you should play it. It's about beating the shit out of people in a weird world. So, hello, little Jello man. Aha! Alright, alright, wait. No, don't be dumb. Oh, little Pantsman and Jello Man. Oh, just have me come here. I love them because they're all the same. I'm not old, you're old. Sweet! I'm going in the ear. What? Oh, there's a line. Oh! Oh, my cell phone's ringing. Hello?
ひょっとしてそこは違法なパーティーイベントじゃないのか?
Illegal? Yeah, don't answer.
嘘だろあんた。仕事をほっぽり出してパーティーしてんのか?
I crave freedom and the cheat is my only escape.
バックルームだ? またそれか。あんた生きて帰れないかもしれないんだぞ。
Oh.
言っとくか、俺はどうなっても知らんからな。早く出口を探せ。
Okay. Let's go this way. Oh. So that's what I get for being on my feet all day. Hello, eyeball.
Hey, Nicole.
What is it?
That blood.
Yeah?
I see. It will come from the arm or a leg you have.
That's dumb. Pay with my body. What about that? Is that good? Look how nice it is. Oh. Oh. Go, 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 go. Ball blast. Okay, so I'm missing an arm now, which is cool. Oh! Oh, but look how lit the club is right now. Ooh, 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 yeah, ooh, yeah.
Any milestone or made a move.
Oh! I want my fortune told. Oh, that guy's getting it. I like that dance move. Hello. Strange. Just vibing, you know, just partying. I don't even know what to say. Is there another exit somewhere? Ah! Alright, what's up, baby? What a weird world. Oh, this guy, though. Whoa. Your whole ass nervous system is partying. Oh, hello. Oh. Well, yeah, have dinner first. Don't just die without dinner. Oh. That guy's geeked out. You can definitely tell. Excuse me? Excuse me? Huh. Oh, no, we gotta go in here. Wow, this is weird. It's a long face. You don't like slaughterhouse parties? I like slaughterhouse parties. Come on. So weird. This is so weird. I love it. Oh, hey.
Oh, hey!
Oh, hey!
Following me or something! Well, I don't blame you.
Okay. Well, she's parting. What the fuck? We go this way. Yeah, these are the chillest shadow entities. Whoa, look at this guy. He's from the 1990s computer graphics. Oh, he's getting it. He's getting it. What?
I am
Ooh!
the boss.
Are you?
Nah, I wish.
Oh, okay.
I wish.
I need to get back to my horrible job.
What do we have here?
This is crazy.
Look at this nobody who isn't having a good time.
I'm having a great time. This is so crazy.
Shoot.
Hurt. Oh. Oh. Oh! It's like Carrie.
What a sad view.
There you go. You're back. You're back. You're back.
I am feeling sick in this place.
Shit. There we go.
No going back, you know? The only duty here is to find the one that you're going to feed. You know? Following the whistle until we end up in someone else's oral cavity. Ew. Fastest luck reaching the bathroom, Enya.
She can only insult me and... Oh, fuck! Oh. Oh, it is filling. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Jane Cole, anyone? Jane?
Oh. That whistle sounds hungry. Oh, oh, oh. Duh. Am I in the Black Lodge? Oh! Hello, are you my new dog? Are you both my new dog? No! My new dog's eating my other new dog, no! Nom 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 nom. Okay. Okay. Raw! Nom 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 nom. Oh! What the fuck? This game is so cool. I am genuinely at a loss for words. This is a great party, though. Ah! I'm going at random, boys. Oh! Whoa! Toi! Oh! That's a big boy. Ah! What does the little man inside my mouth say? You're not the boss. I don't feel so good, Chief.
Pardon me. My head hurts so much. Do you have any coffee?
I have some coffee right now.
Any bathroom?
Huh? Oh! Es grande baño.
Ugh. It's not enough for this many bodies. I hate myself.
Oh, this is so crazy. This is so cool. Frogger! Soy! 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 Oh, fucking sick as. Oh, it's getting really hard to see. Doing. Ah, the milk. The milk. No. Ah, shit. At least I got my arm back. Oh my god. Alright. You. Oh, hey. Little shit. What in the fuck? What's up, Burger King?
Hast thou seen that? Entities fighting each other for thy attention, creating a path to the correct hut for the sinful souls whom arrive to this unfortunate place. I know not which one to trust, which tells the truth. So tired I am of lies.
This just keeps getting better and better. Egg! Oh, no, not an egg. There sure are a lot of dead artistic props here and stuff. Oh, that's ball in a cup! That's a fun game. An infuriating fun game. Hello? Oh! Oh! Huh. They really take no soliciting to a whole nother level. Interesting. Interesting. I'm gonna try. Wait. Hello? Nope, alright. I'm guessing the little orange ones are the boys, the good dudes. Oh. Oh! Oh, this game just keeps getting better and better. It's like playing Myst. It's just so much mystery. And I just want to keep going deeper and deeper into this beautiful, strange world. Look at this. This is glorious. Look at the colors. I am completely enamored. Enamored with this. What? Okay, is there something following me? Whoa. What the hell? Oh, gotta be careful. Sploosh. Oh! Oh, okay. Oh, hello.
Θα συλλήπει τη γριά μου που βρέθηκε σε αυτό το μέρος. Με όποιον και να μιλάς τώρα, είναι ό,τι έχει απομείνει από τον πρώην Τζίνι αυτών των χωρών.
Dear Genie, or to whoever it may concern, my job is to do everything possible to find the boss, for he is our target today. The smoke is in the way of our business and must be eradicated at once.
Αυτός ο boss που ψάχνεις, γνωρίζεις το ιστορικό του, την οικογένειά του, το πρόσωπό του. Ακόμα και αν δεν μπορείς να απαντήσεις αυτές τις ερωτήσεις, φαίνεται να γνωρίζεις πολύ καλά ποια είναι αυτή η ονότητα. Παρά αυτή τη σιγουριά, το ότι εσύ και εγώ συζητάμε σε αυτό το μέρος, πολλά για την ανικανότητά σου. Δυστυχώς δεν υπάρχει πολύ παραπάνω που μπορώ να κάνω για σένα αυτή τη στιγμή. Επιλέγω να σου υπενθυμίσω ότι το μέρος που βρισκόμαστε
But why would you do that?
είναι πολύ μακριά από την πραγματική φυσική σου μορφή. Ωστόσο, μπορεί να κάνω μία εξαίρεση για σήμερα.
Please make an exception for me, please.
Άγγιξε τις
Whoa!
αναγνώσεις μου. Επιτρέψε μου να σου δείξω μια πραγματικότητα όπου πέτυχες τις βαθύτερες πόθους σου.
You want me to touch that? Okay.
Θυμήσου ένα. Το μόνο που χρειάζεται είναι το σωστό μέρος και το σωστό φαγητό.
I mean, I agree with that. Wow. Okay, before I go on, when was the last time you guys saw a game with this much variety? My god, this is so fantastic. I'm going to end the episode here because we're getting to our 20-minute mark, but thank you all so much for watching, and to my subscribers, my group, my core guys here, thanks for coming back again. And if you're new to the channel and this is your first video, well, shit, welcome to the party. And as usual, I'll catch you in that next one, and we'll see where this goes from here.